kindergartners, it's Mrs. Fredrickson. It is so good to see you today. Let's go ahead and get started on our calendar. We are in the month of October. Yes, can you say it with me and clap? Let's count how many syllables are in October. Ready? October, October, October. Very good, kindergartners. Now, how many times did we clap for October? 3 times. Yes, there are 3 syllables in October. Let's go ahead and count our days. I would like for you to count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 4 on the 14th day of October. And is it going to be a pumpkin or a candy? Let's find out. Pumpkin, pumpkin, candy. Pumpkin, pumpkin, candy. Pumpkin, pumpkin, candy. Pumpkin, pumpkin, candy. Pumpkin. What did you say? Let's see. It is a pumpkin. The 14th day of October is a pumpkin. When I say the word pumpkin, what sound do you hear at the beginning? Pumpkin. P, p, p. Yes, I hear the p, p sound at the beginning of pumpkin. What letter makes the sound p, p, p? The letter P. Yeah, the letter P. Okay, we're on October 14th. It is a Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, then tomorrow is Thursday. If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Can you sing the Days of the Week song with me? Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very nice, kindergartners. Now let's go ahead. We're going to count our popsicle sticks. I'm going to add a popsicle stick into our basket. And let's count and see how many are in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 popsicle sticks. Ooh, I'm getting caught on there. 7 popsicle sticks. Is this the number 7? No, it is not. This is the number 6. Is this the number 7? Yes, this is the number 7. Now let's count our groups of 10. I have 10, 20. I have 20 popsicle sticks in my groups of 10, so I will leave that at a 2 because it is the 20. So I have 27 popsicle sticks or 27 days of school. That is pretty great, my kindergartners. Now, kindergarten, let's talk about how we're feeling today. Are you feeling surprised or excited or angry or sad or happy or scared or something else? You know, it's okay to feel however you're feeling. If you're feeling angry, that's okay. But if you're feeling angry, let's find the angry sheep on here. If you're feeling angry, should you stomp around and hit things and maybe push people out of your way? No, you shouldn't do that. When you're feeling angry, you can take a deep breath. You can tell a grown-up. You can say, I'm feeling angry, and then tell them why, if you know why. Sometimes you're angry and you don't even know why, and that's okay. Your grown-up can help you figure out why you're angry and help you figure out some way to not be angry. All right, my friends, thanks for talking to me about emotions. Now we're going to move on to our sight words. So let's go over our sight words. Which sight word is this one? I. The word I. Yes. Which sight word is this one? Like. Yes. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Good. Now here's our new one for the week. Are you ready? This one is a tricky one. Remember, the TH makes a new sound. The. Can you say the? Let's spell it together. T-H-E, the. Nice. Now let's write it. If you have something at home that you can write on, you can write with me. If you don't, just use your finger in the air and write it in the air while Mrs. Fredrickson is writing it on the board. Ready, my friends? Let's write the new sight word, the. T. Are you writing it with me? H. Say the letters with me. E. T-H-E. The word is the. Very nice, kindergarten. That is a new sight word. Let's look over here at our rhyme and see if we can find some of our sight words. Do you see the sight word I anywhere? Do you see the sight word I? I, I, I. There's so many I's. Do you see the sight word like? L-I-K-E? Like, like, like. Good job. Now our newest sight word, the. Do you see the sight word the? The, the, the. Good job, kindergartners. Let's read this together. Will you read the I's, the likes, and the does with me? Nice. Okay, ready? I like fall and the pumpkins round. I like the leaves falling to the ground. I like fall and the colors I see. I like the wind as it blows by me. Very nice, kindergarten. Now let's look up here. I want to find the rhyming words. Those are the words that sound the same at the end. So let's listen and look and see if we can find them. I like fall and the pumpkins round. I like the leaves falling to the ground. What rhymes with round? Ground. Yes, they sound the same at the end. I like fall and the colors I see. I like the wind as it blows by me. What word rhymes with see? Me. Yes, see, me, rhyme. Fantastic, kindergartners. Now I would like to show you a number. We're going to learn a new number today. Are you ready? This is a fun number. This is the number 10. Yes, the number 10. You can have 10 fingers or 10 toes. Let's count our fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice, kindergartners. Now, we can also count. This is a 10 frame. You could make this at home by just drawing a rectangle and putting 10 squares inside of it. Let's count the 10 frame, the circles that are in the 10 frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 circles in our 10 frame. Okay, I have a color that I would like to show you. The color is brown. Brown. This is the color brown. Do you see anything brown around you? Look around you. Maybe you see a brown bear. I hope it's a stuffed animal and not a real brown bear because they're kind of dangerous. Maybe it's a brown bear. Maybe it's brown boots sitting by the front door. Do you see anything brown in your house or where you're at right now? Look around. See if you can find something brown. Okay, and our letter today is the letter K. The letter K. K looks like this. Can you draw letter K with me? So you're going to draw a line down, and then a diagonal down, and a diagonal out. Ready? Let's draw it. You can draw it with your finger in the air. Ready? Down, then diagonal down, and diagonal out. Very nice. K makes the sound k, k. Can you say k, k? Nice, like k, k. Kangaroo. Kangaroo has the k sound at the beginning, and it starts with a K. You can also make a K with your hand by putting your two fingers up and putting your thumb up right in the middle. That is the letter K in sign language. Nice job, kindergartners. I have one more thing to do with you before we go to our story for today. I'm going to show you some numbers, and I want you to tell me what number you see. Are you ready? This is the number 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? 2. This is the number 4. Show me 4 fingers. 4. This is the number 5. Show me 5 fingers. Nice. This is the number 1. Can you show me 1 finger? Good job. This is the number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? Good, kindergarten. This is the number 6. Can you show me 6 fingers? Good. This is the number 0. Can you show me 0 fingers? No fingers. This is the number 10. Can you show me 10 fingers? Maybe count while you're doing it. I'm not going to count. I want you to count. Ready? Very nice. This is the number 8. Can you show me 8 fingers? Good. This is the number 9. Yes, 9. Can you show me 9 fingers? Nine. And last, this is the number 7. Yes. Can you show me 7 fingers? 7. Very nice, kindergartners. Now I have a book that I would like to read to you. It's one of my favorite fall books. It's called Pumpkin Jack. Pumpkin Jack. What makes the P sound? The letter P for pumpkin. Okay, my friends, this is by Will Hubble. He's the author and the illustrator. That means he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. When Tim carved his first pumpkin, it was fierce and funny and just perfect. A jack-o'-lantern this good deserved a name, so Tim gave it one. He named it Jack. Long after the best trick-or-treat candy was eaten, Tim still kept Jack. At night, when a candle made Jack's face dance on the wall and filled the bed with warm pumpkin smells, Tim felt Jack was almost magic. Yet too soon, the spell was broken. Can you see there's the pumpkin? And look, it's making a face on his wall at nighttime. It's glowing. This pumpkin is beginning to rot, announced Mom. It's time to throw it out. Tim knew it was useless to argue. He carried Jack to the garden, which was filled with the brown ghosts of last summer's plants. A dead garden is better than a trash can, thought Tim. Still, it made him sad to leave Jack outside all alone. There's Jack. Whenever chores or play brought Tim to the garden, he looked at Jack. Every time Jack was a little different. He became wrinkled, and his fierce smile began to look kind of silly. Look at Mr. Jack. Pumpkin Jack's looking a little silly. Mold spread over Jack's bright orange skin. As the days turned colder, Jack grew flatter. Oh my. Winter began. Soon Jack was hidden beneath the snow, and Tim forgot all about him. The cold, heavy jacket days came, snowman and sliding days, indoor days, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Valentine's. When all these days had passed and the March winds melted the snow, Tim found Jack. There wasn't much left, just a faded and crumpled pumpkin skin, a stem, and a few seeds. Jack's Halloween magic was a distant memory now. Tim scraped a thin blanket of earth over the last bits of his pumpkin. "Goodbye, Jack," he whispered. Do you see the seeds from Pumpkin Jack? There are some seeds right there. When spring turned barefoot warm, a tiny sprout appeared where Jack had been. Tim found it and guessed what it was. What do you think it is? A sprout is a baby plant. What do you think is growing there now? In the days that followed, Tim weeded and watered and watched the sprout. Slowly and steadily, the plant changed and grew. It branched and spread a web of vines over the ground, but no pumpkins appeared. The days turned hot. Flowers opened on the plant, and each morning yellow stars that twisted shut forever in the afternoon. Still, there were no pumpkins. Finally, Tim found a little green ball growing behind a crumpled blossom. "A pumpkin!" Tim let out a whoop and ran to show his mom. By August, the plant had spilled onto the lawn. Tim's favorite game became pumpkin hunting. He carefully waded among the leaves, searching for green pumpkins, like hidden treasures. Do you see any green pumpkins hiding in the leaves? There's one right there, and one there, and there's a nice one to see. School began, and the days cooled down. Tim had less time to visit the garden. When he did, the pumpkin plant seemed tired. There were few new leaves, and the old tattered ones no longer hid the fat green pumpkins. Then one October morning, Tim woke to see frost coating the garden. The frozen plants seemed changed to pale blue glass. After school, Tim discovered what the frost had done. The pumpkin plant's leaves were as limp as wet paper. The pumpkin plant was dying. Tim searched among the withered leaves for the unripe pumpkins. He picked them and put them on the front porch, hoping for one more change. Look at those pumpkins. They're still green, but they're turning into what color? Orange. By Halloween, the pumpkins had ripened to bright orange. There were many, for the plant had been generous. Tim was generous too. He gave away all of his pumpkins except one. From jack-o'-lantern to seed to pumpkin again, the circle was almost complete. Now it was time for Tim to do his part. He gave his pumpkin a face. It smiled at him in a fierce and funny way. Tim smiled too and said, "Welcome back, Jack." Look, he made another jack-o'-lantern. Oh, isn't that amazing? Jack-o'-lanterns are so fun at Halloween time. I hope that you have a chance to make a fun jack-o'-lantern face. If you do, send me a picture of your pumpkin face so that I can see it. And maybe tell me what its name is. Did you name your pumpkin Jack like Tim or something else? All right, my kindergartners, it was good to see you. I'll see you next time. Bye.